Are you looking for the best electric wheelchair? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the top 3 electric wheelchair, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. PORTO Mobility Ranger Space Pro Carbon Fiber Lightweight Foldable Next Generation Electric Wheelchair. Brand: Ranger PORTO Mobility. Color: Carbon. Item weight: 43 pounds. Style: Electric, Compact. Lightweight and compact. The Ranger Space Pro Next Era Carbon Power Wheelchair is the first power wheelchair to feature an expertly handcrafted carbon fiber frame, making it the world's lightest power wheelchair equipped with powerful motors and large wheels. Constructed from high-strength carbon fiber, it balances exceptional durability with an incredibly lightweight design, weighing just 43 pounds while supporting up to 400 pounds. There's no need for a scooter lift. The Space Pro easily folds and unfolds in one piece. Simply pull the release latch and it transforms in seconds. Long-range side batteries. Ranger Space Pro is also equipped standard with an easy-release extra battery for added range up to 20 miles. Not only is the Space Pro extremely light and easy to manage, the Space Pro comes with 2, one is free, airline-compliant non-spillable lithium-ion batteries. Number 2. Electric wheelchairs for adults foldable, 36 lbs lightweight, 15 miles travel range, and 500-watt brushless motors, power motorized for seniors, and max support 350 lbs, and LED light, airline approval, silver color. Brand: JUSTHERO. Color: black. Style: EW07. Unit count: 1.00 count. Manufacturer: JUSTHERO. About this item: powerful brushless motors. JUSTHERO electric wheelchairs equipped with 500-watt powerful brushless motors, providing a maximum 12-degree climbing capability. Brushless motors are smooth and quiet while working, requires almost no maintenance. The honeycomb structure puncture-proof PU solid tires ensure long usage. Small turning radius makes it easy and smooth to maneuver in tight spaces. Intelligent brake system. Equipped with an automatic braking system, it engages when you release the controller on steep slopes, preventing rollback. Your safety is our priority. Lightweight and one-click foldable. 36 lbs lightweight makes it easy to lift up even for seniors. The one-step folding design of the lightweight electric wheelchair combines sturdiness and durability. Easily stored in vehicle trunks, ships, and planes, making this wheelchair an ideal choice for trips. Max weight capacity up to 350 lbs. 4.8 lbs lightweight and safe-use battery. The high-performance 12Ah lithium battery is safer and lighter than lead-acid battery. Fully charges in 3 to 4 hours, providing a travel range of 15 miles to meet your daily needs. Only 4.8 lbs weight. Easy to remove and charge for seniors to operate. Number 3. 33 lbs Lightweight Electric Wheelchair. Electric wheelchairs for adults foldable. 15 miles range motorized wheelchair for seniors. All-terrain compact portable power wheelchair. 330 pounds capacity. Brand: Gold Season. Color: silver. Style: 33 pounds lightweight, silver. Material: aluminum. Seat width: 17 inches. Lightweight electric wheelchair. This electric wheelchair is made of lightweight, yet high-strength aerospace-grade aluminum, weighing only 33 pounds. Support up to 330 pounds and can be folded in just 3 seconds, making it ideal for travel and easy storage in car trunks. Approved for aircraft use, it's the perfect travel electric wheelchair for seniors and adults. Game Changer Joystick. Designed with seniors in mind, this wheelchair is easy to operate and without complicated button combinations. Its responsive 360-degree design makes maneuvering, turning, and braking in tight spaces smooth and effortless. The electromagnetic brake system responds quickly. Automatic tilt prevention engages when hands are removed from the control lever. 15 miles adventure battery. Ditch range anxiety. The removable 12Ah lithium battery provides a 15 miles travel range, sufficient for exploring vast mall corridors or enjoying a sunset cruise along coastal boardwalks. No need to remove the battery for charging. A full charge takes approximately 3 to 4 hours.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.